Let's review ephemeral access policies in Twingate. So Twingate now allows you to define policies that are going to only be effective temporarily to give access to groups of users on a temporary basis. The first screen you can access those policies is by going to a given resource, reviewing the access panel for the resource, and what you could do is add access to a new group of users. Let's pick contractors in this case. And under the default policy, under the policy you select, you can now select an expiration time or an expiration date. So I could make it a 48-hour expiration date, but I could also make it a same day, couple of hours expiration date. Let's do 11 a.m., grant access. Now the expiration date will appear next to the group in question. Once the time expires, this line will disappear altogether, but this is all logged in the audit trail of the admin console. The second place you can actually see ephemeral policies is by going to your groups and clicking on your groups themselves. You will see the list of resources each group has access to, and you will see if an expiration date is available here. You can also do the same from this screen, by the way, for a specific group of users. If I wanted contractors to have access to this Windows server on a temporary basis as well, I could set an expiration date or an expiration time here as well, which would also disappear once the time expires here. The same is doable using the API and can therefore be automated for all users and all resources.